Alright, welcome to my class, Systems of Linear Equations. And a system of linear equations is a sort of collection of equations that you deal with all together at once. And linear equations, ones that graph as straight lines, are simpler than nonlinear equations. And the simplest linear equation is one with two equations and two variables. And I will show you right now. Show me. Alright, so here's an example of one. There's 4x plus y equals 24. There's one. And here's another one. Y equals negative 4x plus 24. That's an example of a linear equation. Are you getting this? Alright. And so one way to solve this is by substitution, which is the first way I'll be showing you. And now I'll plug or substitute for y in the first equation and solve for x like so. So I do 2x minus 3. Then I plug in the y, which would be 4x right here. So negative 4x plus 24 equals negative 2. And then I solve for, so I do 2x plus 12x minus 72 equals negative 2. And you get 14x equals 70. Just divide by 14. And you get x equals 5. And now I'll go over this. So it's 2x minus 3, parentheses negative 4x plus 24 equals negative 2. So this right here is the y. Y equals negative 4x plus 24. So I plug that into there, and then I do like that. And I got 2x plus 12x, because 3 times negative 4 is 12, plus 24, negative 72, and it still equals negative 2. And so you add these together, 14x, 72, minus that, on this side, so you get 70. Divide by 14, x equals 5. And that is one way to solve it by. But then I'm still not done. So then I go here, and it says, and now I can plug in the x value into either equation because I know x equals 5. But since I already have an expression for y, it'll be simplest just to plug it into y. So I'm going to do.
Do you need a better marker?
Yeah, this marker's not going. That's all right. So y equals negative 4. 5 plus 24 equals negative 20 plus 24 equals 4. And I know it's a little hard to read, but so if you solve this, then you'll know that the solution is xy equals 5, 4. So if you keep solving this, you'll get 5, and you'll get 4, so you put those down there. And that's how you solve by substituting. And now, I shall erase this, and I'll show you another way to solve a system of linear equations. Alright? The next one I'll be showing you is solving by graphing. So 2x minus 3y equals 2, and 4x plus y equals 24. So, first I'll solve for the equation y equals, like I did with the last problem, so I can graph it easily. So I do 2x minus 3y equals 2, which I got from right there. So I just do 2x plus 2 equals 3y, so then I do 2 over 3, sorry that doesn't look like a 2, 2 over 3x plus 2 over 3 equals y. And then I do 4x plus y equals 24, and y equals negative 4x plus 24. That's how you find your y, and I'll go over how I did this. So I got the 2x minus 3y equals 2 from right there, and the 2x plus 2 equals 3y. You just switch this up. So you do minus 3y, plus 3y, and you switch the sides. So you got to get the y by itself. And then you divide it by 3. So it's 2 over 3x plus 2 over 3 equals y. Then you times it. So 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 equals 4x. Then you plus the y, so you need to get it back over here, and that'll equal 24. And then you get to y equals negative 4x plus 24. Alright? And then the second line will be easy to graph using a slope-intercept. So I'm just going to make a t-chart real quick. So the x, so that's negative 4, negative 1, 2, 5, 8. So y equals 2 over 3x plus 2 over 3. And I'm making this t-chart just to make it easier so you can find your points so that you can graph it. And then y equals negative 4x plus 24. So for negative 4, if you plug negative 4 into that, into the x, you should get 8 over 3 plus 2 over 3 equals negative 6 over 3 equals negative 2. And so you get 16 plus 24 equals 40. So there's 1. And then you do, if you plug negative 1 in, you get negative 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 equals 0, which it wouldn't change because it's negative 1. It'll just switch the signs. So for 2, you would get 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 equals 6 over 3, which is 2. And if you plug in 5, you'll get 10 over 3 plus 2 over 3 equals 12 over 3, which would equal 4. And for the final one, 16 over 3 plus 2 over 3 equals 18 over 3, which equals 6. So you put these in. 4 plus 24 equals 28, and negative 8 plus 24 equals 16. Negative 20 plus 24 equals 4, and negative 32 plus 24 equals negative 8. So now you've got all your points. Now you can start graphing it. And now that I have the points, I don't have a really big ruler, but
we can go get you.
I'll look for, no, it's alright. And certainly from the picture, so I'll erase this. I'll leave that right there. And I'll graph the chart.
Kristen, it's supposed to be shorter than 5 minutes, and you going on 10.
Oh,
maybe if you break it down, like.
Yeah. So. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And you have to graph within the regions of these. So
Okay, what I'm about to do, I'm about to stop it because it's starting over now.
alright.
and then just
And I'm gonna reach.